Hey everybody, this video is going to be fairly short. We actually just did an update video for this backtest. And what we're going to do is look at how election week was in the US for this double calendar. It was not good. So this backtest is 670C, our backtest of the year in 2022, which we've modified a couple times. If you look at it, what happened was a couple things. Number one, the backtest was expensive. It was on the higher end, not the highest, but it was more expensive than a lot of times. And what happened was after the election results came back, the futures went crazy. And so this call, which opened at 58.55, was about 40 points in the money at time of closing. So you can see what happened. If you look at the trade replay, the value is actually fairly consistent. And then when we opened Monday, it just fell off a cliff. So a lot of people in the Option Omega community had already talked about and decided not to trade their backtests. And we can also look and see how it did if we go later in the day. Let's see how this backtest fared later. That should allow it to go till here. We can run it a little bit later. We'll go till 1:30 so we can see how it did later in the day. But a lot of folks in Option Omega decided they were not going to trade their backtest. And as you can see, it just got worse through the day. And by the time it closed in this late backtest on the 7th, as the market went higher, you can see the gap up right here. From Tuesday into Wednesday, the backtest went inversely, as you would expect, being pretty far in the money. So the backtest being extremely short delta. So again, we have struggled with this backtest, has struggled lately. Here are the last few runs. Just something interesting. Again, if you don't have a trading community where you can talk about your strategies, that's what the Option Omega Discord serves for many, many people. And if you were on there, you would have seen a lot of discussion about whether or not to trade double calendars. And I think the people that did not trade them were in general pretty happy with their decision. So have a great day. Check us out on the OO Discord. Thanks.